Hello and welcome back. Today's lesson, we're going to be having a look at collecting like terms. And I always like to start off with definition of the keywords. And today's keyword is a term. We're going to try and find out what a term means. And that will take us back to the beginning of algebra. Yeah, so algebra is all about finding missing numbers and things that we do not know. We always refer to them as the unknown. In algebra, we use letters to represent things that we do not know, the unknown. And of course, the most common one that you are aware of is the letter X. So, where we say find X all the time. Yeah. So, we use letters to represent the unknown. Now, an algebraic term can be a letter, a number, or a combination of a letter and a number. When basic operators are introduced into terms, then it's called an expression. So 2x, as well as being a term, it's also an expression. And so is 2x plus 4y. So if we have an expression like 2x plus 3x plus 7x, then 2x is the same thing as 2 times x. And that simply means x being multiplied by being added onto itself twice. So x plus x. And if we do this if we do this for all the different terms there for 2x and 3x and 7x, we're going to have x plus x plus x plus x plus x and so on up to 12x. The way that we do this in algebra is we just apply the sign. We just add all of the numbers onto the, to make the new value of x. So that will be 2 plus 3 plus 7, which is equal to 12x. So here are some examples that we can try out. So I've already told you that collecting like terms means collecting terms with the same letters. Okay, so here it says maybe the question is simplify, just say simplify, or sometimes it might say simplify these expressions by collecting like terms. Yeah, so it can just say simplify, and if it says that, then these two are x terms and we need to collect them together, and these two are y terms and we need to collect them together. Let's do that. 2x plus 7x plus 4y plus 3y. Yeah, and if we did that, that would be equal to 9x plus 7y. Remember, x and y, or a and b, are just like apples and bananas. You can't join them together because they're different. You can't combine them because they're different. Okay, you can add two apples, you can add the two apples, but you can't add two apples and three bananas to make 5 apples. Yeah, okay, so that's the first one done. And then for this one, we have the a terms and the b terms. We have to collect the a terms, so that would be 5a minus, even though it's not written there, we don't usually write 1 down in algebra. We don't usually write 1 down in algebra, but yeah, if it's not written, it's a 1. So that's 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4a plus 7 plus 2 is 9b. And that one is done. And the last one here is 4x minus 2x, the x terms. 4x take away 2x would be 2x. And 7y take away 9y. That's going to give us negative 2y. So that's it, done. Those are the 3 examples for collecting like terms. Usually the question will say simplify. And if it just says to simplify, you need to look for the terms with the same letters, okay? Okay, I shall see you in the next one.